In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate apps with Slack. Integrating your tools with Slack is one of the easiest ways to keep communication organized and reduce constant switching between platforms. Once connected, your apps can send notifications, update workflows, preview files, and surface important activity directly inside Slack. There are three main ways to do this: through the Slack app directory with no-code automation platforms, or by using incoming webhooks for custom alerts. Let's start with the easiest option, the native Slack app directory. Open the Slack desktop app and look at the left sidebar. Click More, or go to the Apps section, then select App Directory. This is Slack's built-in marketplace for official integrations like Google Calendar, Zoom, Jira, Notion, and many others. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to connect, then choose the correct app from the results. Next, click Add to Slack. A browser window will open so you can review permissions and authorize the connection. Before approving, make sure the correct Slack workspace is selected. Then review the access requested and click Allow. After that, head back to Slack, find the app under Apps in the sidebar, and open it. In the welcome message, click the button to connect or authorize your personal account, then sign in to finish syncing your profile. If your organization restricts app installations, your request may be sent to an admin for approval first. The second method is best when you want to build workflows across multiple apps. For this, create a free account on a no-code automation platform such as Zapier or Make. Then choose your trigger app, which is the app where the automation begins. After that, select Slack as the action app. Connect your Slack account, choose the right workspace, and allow access. Then format the Slack message by selecting the destination channel and inserting the dynamic information pulled from the trigger app. Once everything looks right, turn the automation on. This method is especially useful when you want one event in another platform to automatically generate a Slack update. The third method is incoming webhooks, which is ideal for developers or custom systems. In your browser, go to Slack's app management page and create a new app from scratch. Give it a name and choose the workspace where it will live. On the